Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my yellow watermelon update. I haven't done one for a little while. Been doing some other things, got things going on, but I want to show you what I've got and what I've let them do. They are spreading out, and just let me show them to you. Instead of me describing them, I'll let you look at them. So if you guys watched my melons when I planted them, so this quagmire will be gone, but it's trying to cover up the wet melons. The melons are the plants. I have 4 plants. They're on the back, in this back bed back here, and I was trying to keep them in there, but they weren't really doing anything, and so I just kind of let them start spreading out. And I do want to keep them off of the grass, so these guys out here will need to be redirected or cut off. But here's my weed bed. Used to be my weed bed, now it's another watermelon patch. I need to get those bricks out of here. I need to get those bricks out of there today and let those plants lay down. But yeah, they're doing good. And by letting them spread out, I was getting nothing over there when they were out back, just on the back row. But since I've let them spread out, look, we got a watermelon right there. Check him out. Yep, he's doing good. Got a watermelon there, and hoping to get some more out here. As soon as I found him, I put some wood chips underneath him so he wouldn't be laying down in the wet soil. We're getting a lot of rain, and there's some low spots in there, so put that underneath him. And then I came out, and I'm letting these here were kind of coming down the middle here, so I moved them over. I'm letting them spread through the tomato garden, because why not? It's not hurting anything. It's a good way to have something growing down below and only have to manage it in one spot, which is over there where the plant grows. And on this stem over here, I had some flowers out here the other day, and I had one female watermelon flower. And so you've seen me before, but I took and I did some artificial pollinating with some other flowers, picking the flowers. I used a paintbrush first, and then I picked some flowers and did some pollinating on those, and it appears that this one is going to take off. I can't see the camera. I can't see the screen because of the sun. There we go. Now I know that you got it on camera right there. But yeah, that one's looking good. Looks like it's going to take off. Over on this side over here where the other watermelon is, right over there, I was looking this morning, and I have on a few of these over here, I have some female flowers. There's one here that you can see the little melon on it down here, and then on this branch I have one right there. So I took flowers and pollinated that one today. I pollinated this one today with some flowers that are up here. There's one back in here that I didn't see when I was looking yesterday or the day before. These flowers only last like a day or so, and then they close up, so it's got a small window. Anyway, there's another one back in here on top of these bricks here somewhere where it's, oh, right there it is. Looks like it might have a chance to make a melon. I don't think you can see it. Anyway, it's right in there, has a chance to make a melon. And I got another one over here, right over there, that I pollinated today as well. So helping them out the best I can, and it was really a cool surprise when I found that one watermelon out there. So that is my yellow watermelon update. There are several other people growing these watermelons, so check the hashtag in this video. Check that hashtag, click on that. You're gonna go see Donnie's and Rowdy's and have fun with nature, and Valerie, and man, I don't want to start naming everybody because I'm gonna miss people, but you're gonna see Todd's updates. You can see everybody's updates that's growing the watermelons and using that hashtag. So Donnie is kicking it. Donnie with Barton's RVing. Go check him out. There'll be links to everybody's channels in here. And the last time I looked, Donnie had 15 or 20 watermelons on. He's already tried one. I think he picked it a little early, so he's gonna let the other ones go a little bit longer. But yeah, so check out Donnie's channel and everybody else's channel that is growing the melons. and check on their progress. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button, comment. You can subscribe right up here if you would. I appreciate you guys spending time with me. I really do. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.